Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog, we're going to be doing birthday prep. Get ready with me. Hair done, nails done, toes done. We're even going to do a photo shoot. This is going to be the best birthday yet. I'm already speaking it into existence because
Simply shine, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
the last few years I haven't really been putting a lot into my birthday. It just felt like another day to me. This year has really took a toll on me. Yet once again, I want to take a step back to not indulge in the negative and let it consume me. I feel like this year I gave a lot to so many things and to so many people that it was draining to me. And when you lose your own energy, you start losing your own worth. Right now I'm just chilling in my car. I just ate a yogurt, nothing too major because I didn't pack a lunch. I told you I suck with packing lunches, but once I get off of work, we're gonna go get these nails done because they look ridiculous. It's been 3 weeks. I don't do acrylic anymore. I just do gel nails, and then I'm gonna do my toes. Some of you guys saw my dress in a few vlogs back. Some of you didn't, but the color I'm going for is green and gold. That's the theme. So I don't know if I should do white French tip or white and just get like gold accent on like my ring finger. I'm very simple, but I want to be classy and still cute or whatever. Getting together for the birthday, I'm gonna look like a baddie by the end of this, and we're gonna do some reflecting, because I don't think we give ourselves enough credit for all that we do every single day. This is a once in a year event. Whether I'm by myself on my birthday or whether I'm with my kids, I'm going to make sure I look good and I damn sure feel good too. So now y'all know what we doing. I'm going to clock back in a few minutes and then we going to get this show on the road, okay? Because I'm tired of this. Comment down below if you guys are Sagittarius. Sag season is approaching and we the best, period. Yo, girl is officially off of work. I'm at the pizza place right now because I'm gonna grab me a slice of stuff 10 minutes before my appointment. But y'all, when I went back to work, why did I get surprised with some gifts? Your girl almost shed a tear. Sent a card in my own personal chocolate cake. Like, meant a lot to me because it just lets me know that, I'm loved. And I just started this job. But the days that I don't feel like I'm doing good or I just come down on myself because I'm my biggest critic, it just was a little reminder to keep pushing. And now I am doing A-okay. First gift that I received for my birthday from work. I'm starting. Change of plans, y'all. I got me a quesadilla. I love this from Salsaritas. My pico de gallo just fell out, but I'm about to scarf this real quick, and then we're going to do these nails. Their fruit punch hits like it's nobody's business. So good.
Trying to catch a dime kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shine and pearly. City boys that she fine and pretty, and the country boys that she fine and pretty. Yeah, my pockets big as green as curry, and the ladies know soon as they see my jewelry. If being fresh to death is a crime, I think it's time for me to see the jury. Millionaires, they on the grind. A hustle like me is hard to find. I ain't really impressed. That's unless it's about some dollars. Really no need to call you fine. You be hearing that all the time. Watching you do your step to do your step.
You like my balloons? So I come home to more love and more surprises. Shout outs to Eddie for my red roses, and he got me my favorite chocolate, a cute little mini Ghirardelli. How cute. I gotta get out the scrubs. I'm exhausted and I still have one more stop. We gotta go to Ulta, but I'm taking a quick shower. White nails, and I got white toes. Very classy, very cutesy. My toes look like little tater tots, don't they? It's gonna look so much better when I put on my ankle bracelets.
Happy birthday to you. It really is. I think I know where it is.
It looked like I got punched. Take this off. That's too dark, man. What shade is that? Didn't work. It's too dark, y'all. Because I need to see before I buy it. You think so? This is the 7W. Over here looks a little lighter.
Wait,
I'm right.
it's good, but like I feel like it's like
Too light?
a little bit.
Like we need a little darker. This is why I don't do makeup, y'all, because you gotta figure out what color you are and all that. Don't get the right match, you're gonna look like a
Here's like
clown.
this one.
Me and a makeup artist, the MUA.
This looks like your shade.
What? We're in the beauty supply store because your girl has to get special hair for my hairstyle. I need some bundles, y'all. Got my twin with me. She gonna help me because I don't know nothing about no bundles, no nothing. Oh, there's Empire right there. And then, where's the Remy? You see it? There's so many to choose from. No? She said 10 or 12 inches.
No, but like,
Looking for Remy, this type of hair, Remy or Empire hair.
so I don't have this one. I only have this three.
Okay.
Do you want to see them?
Yes, please. So this is Empire. She said 10 or 12 inches in the color 1B. Yeah, $60 for one pack, baby. Yeah, so now I'm over here. I'm looking for some earrings. I don't want to get anything too big, but I feel like I need something better than these little things I have. And I'm also looking for like a dainty necklace and an anklet. Yeah, let me show you what I ended up going with. I got one pack of this Empire Yaki, 12 inches in the color 1B. This was $30. That I only needed one pack, which was good. And then I got this cute little bracelet. I'm gonna try to use it as an anklet because it's so cute. And then I also got another one. It's like a cross type of anklet. Let me show y'all. Thought this was so pretty because the cross is just like dingo. I didn't get a necklace. I'll probably go back, but this is what I got for right now. So I'm just so happy that I got this because I wasn't too sure I was going to be able to find the hair that she told me. And I also got these earrings. I don't really know how I feel about them because I haven't wore dingly earrings in a minute, but I thought these were really cute. So we'll see how they feel. Next step, I got to tackle this head of mine, which I don't feel like doing because it's almost like 9 o'clock and I'm getting tired, but I have to wash it, shampoo it, and then make sure it's blow dry completely. Once I get off of work, then I have to run straight to my appointment. But the crazy part is, I don't know how it's gonna work. I'm gonna be looking real busted tomorrow because she said don't put no product in your hair. Like come with like a bare hair, like nothing on it. I can't even lay the edges. So going to work tomorrow looking crazy. I might just put a freaking headband on the edges because if I don't have gel on these edges, baby, it gives peasy. Child. And I didn't even tell you guys what style I'm getting. It's gonna be a surprise. It's nothing too crazy, but it's something different for me. And I was on the fence because I was like, do I want to do a silk press? Because I love when my hair is straight, plus the weather's getting colder. But I'm like, I could always do a silk press. Let me do something that I haven't done before and just play around with, you know, a different style. So fingers crossed that this style eats. So the next time y'all see me, unless y'all want to see me blow dry my hair, which y'all probably don't. But if not, you guys will see me at my hair appointment.
You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't lose finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind.
Hey guys, guess who woke up this morning feeling like SHIT? Sore throat is on a million, headache, ears. Don't know where it came from, honestly. It's just bugging me out because, baby, we got things to do and I'm not bailing on none of my plants. So I woke up today like, who did it and ran, looked like it, feel like it. I felt so bad that I had to have Mia take Juju to the bus stop. Mind you, the bus stop is right outside the door, about 5 feet from my door, but I just couldn't do it. So I've been just lounging around. It's about, I don't know, almost like 11. At 12:30, I have to go pick up my cake. I don't think I mentioned that, but I got a special cake, a customized cake made for me. And I'm hoping that it comes out good. But she has really good reviews. And then at 2 o'clock, we're going to tackle this head. And I was already sweating, so them edges is giving. The edges been sweating through the night. I've been sweating in the night, y'all. So I'm like, damn, like, I didn't expect to get sick, but sickness is inevitable. You never know when it's coming for you. I do expect it around this time of the year because in Charlotte, it was still really warm. And then yesterday, the temperature dropped like crazy. And then this morning, it was in the 30s. My best friend for the rest of the day. I dozed back off for like an hour. And so I feel a little bit better now that I got the Theraflu in me, but it's just my throat. Praying over my body right now that all sickness be diminished. Nonetheless, I'm still in good spirits. We will be back and we will be better. I'm about to sip on some tea, orange juice, and rotation for the whole day. That's what's on the menu for me. And some soup. I don't even think I have soup. I have oranges and lemon. I saw a little concoction that I can make: orange, lemon, ginger, and turmeric, and it's supposed to really like help any sickness and inflammation in the body. So the only thing I don't have is turmeric.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it.
I feel in my mind. I wanna dance tonight. It's in the air tonight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't wanna say no. You're breaking down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me know?
To get these lashes done by MUA Lyric. Last night was so rough for me. I got worse, y'all. Chills, everything, shaking. I took so much Theraflu. Oh my God, you can see it in my eyes, y'all. We had the Vicks going, and then we had the heater because I just could not get freaking warm at all. Today's the day of the photo shoot, and guess what? We're getting it done. I'm pushing through. I have like a good hour and a half to get ready, so I just showered, I shaved. I'm gonna do my lotion and stuff. I don't think I want to wear my first outfit that I showed you guys. I'll try both of them on so you guys can see. I just read the guidelines, and I don't think I can bring you guys with me to my photo shoot, so I do want you guys to get a chance to see exactly what I'm wearing and stuff like that. Well, you gotta let me know which one I should wear, but by the time y'all see it, it's gonna be over. But whenever I get chills, that's when I know I'm sick. So as long as the chills stay at bay and they don't try to pull back up, we're gonna be good. We only got an hour for this photo shoot, and I think that I can get through it for the most part. That's why I want to take a shower. But yeah, I woke up, my lashes was smushed. Lyric did my lashes last night, and the corners, I don't know what happened, because I must have been like tossing and turning. Plus I couldn't sleep with this damn ponytail. The ponytail was really tight, so between the ponytail being tight, my glands hurting, my throat, it was just a whole hot mess. I'm gonna have to run to the beauty supply store real quick and pick out some earrings and a necklace, because I didn't get the necklace either. I showed you guys, if you didn't catch that vlog, I'm gonna show you guys, to those who didn't watch that vlog. But the color that I'm going for is green. We're doing a green scheme, green and gold scheme. But I don't know, I feel like I don't want to wear that two-piece anymore. I think I just want to wear the evening gown that I got. I'm gonna show you guys, hold on. I'll try this one on for y'all right now so you can see what it looks like, because then you'll get a better visual. Let me try it on real quick for y'all. Okay, so this is, I think I'm gonna go with this one. I think this one gives more, I don't know, you guys let me know. It's very classy, which I like. I feel very confident in it. It's not exposing too much, but it still, you know, hugs your girl, and it still gives a little bit of, yeah, I like it. The other one is cute. Don't get me wrong. I like the other one. That's the original one that I chose. I don't feel like trying this on. You know how sometimes you buy something and you like it when you first try it on, then you put it back on, or you let it, days go by, and you're like, why did I get this? It's not bad. It's cute on me, but I don't know if I'm in the mood to be real spicy today. I think I want to be more classy. I'm going to try the other one on. You guys let me know which one you like better. Okay. Then we have this one that I like it. but it kind of shows a lot, y'all. Like, look, the whole cheeks is out. One sleeve and then no sleeve. I feel like that really makes it look so super cute. It gives like mermaid. I can do 2 poses with 2 different outfits, but being that I feel like crap, I kind of just want to dumb it down. And I feel like I was just better off, honestly, just taking pictures in my room like they all do instead of paying what I'm paying, but it is what it is. All right, now you guys can get a better visual because I took the hair off. I gotta fix this because this got messed up and I gotta curl my sides, but now you guys can probably see. Mia said that I should go with this one because she said this gives more like photo shoot, and then the other one gives more like dinner. So I don't know. I gotta ask Lyric. Lyric, how do I look, puppy?
You look beautiful.
I look beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's so beautiful.
Thank you for making me feel like that. You're so sweet.
You're welcome.
Thank you. He said you look like a lady. Lyric. I do this one for the photo shoot.
The one you have on.
This one is good? It's eating? Alright, so everybody said to go with this one, y'all. So this is the one we're doing. I just touched up my lashes. The lashes are back. Can I borrow your flat iron?
Yeah.
Because I need you to do my Barbie flip and I gotta curl these.
We're your makeup artists.
Yeah, my girls, listen, my daughters, they support me in everything. So where you want me to sit? She about to beat my face. So when we went to Ulta, we got this NYX brow glue just to, like, you know, smooth out your eyebrows. Then we got some, what is this called?
I think
Kylie.
it's concealer.
Oh yeah, Kylie Cosmetics concealer. And then I also got the Morphe Bacon Set setting powder. I'm just listening to what they told me to do because y'all know I don't. Oh, and I have this e.l.f. primer. I already had this already. But whatever. I don't know why. And then I got this Evian facial spray. I don't even know why I got this. It works. I tried it yesterday. It worked really good. Too bright?
I don't like that color that you got.
Mia said 7.5.
I don't like it.
The other one that she had, I think it was 7. It was a little too light, right?
Yeah.
My room is a whole mess, y'all. Don't judge me. My room is a mess. We will get it together afterwards.
Whatever she want, take her on the girl to the world that she want. Take a 50 clip and boys doing shit is wrong. She that loves her attitude, she long away from. Hey.
It don't move, my hair.
I have to find the part that's short. I gotta flip you because I'll just move.
Van Cleef dupe with the tennis bracelet from Pandora. My ankle bracelet. And then we got the one with the cross. So cute. I'm waiting for my earrings. Eddie went to go get me some heart earrings. Almost forgot my perfume, y'all. Today we're going to go with Versace Bright Crystal. This is my favorite. Love it, love it, love it. I'm as ready as I'll be, guys. The only dilemma I'm having is that I have a strapless bra on, and my strapless bra is a little longer than the top, so I have to be mindful to pull it down. But yeah, that's it. It's a wrap. Shoes is gonna go on in the studio at the studio. Let me show you my shoes. I'm not putting them on right now, baby. We're gonna put them on when we get in the studio. I gotta take some pictures with the shoes on, and then I'm gonna do some without the shoes. But look how cute these shoes are. They eat them down. So cute. So cute. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys when I get to the studio.
The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Just lay where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag.
Simply Michelle.